jump right out of my chest. My brain wants to jump right out of my head. Didn't want to leave, but she had to go. Said she'd be gone about a year or so. I just want to get in my car, drive real fast down the way you are. 'Cause if I don't get there soon, things just might get through. When I look at her, don't know what to do. So tonight I'm gonna make it all the way to you, all the way to you. Moving down the road and I'm feeling good. Got the guts to ask her if she would wind it on up to 110, so I can take it back to her again. Need a shot of gin to straighten my nerves, 'cause I'm coming up on dead man's curve. Shivers running up and down my spine.